Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Naswandi. Here we from Group 8 Class B will present about virtual reality. As for our group, which consists of several members, the first of which is myself, I'm Ilham Maulana, Samir Rustandi, Syarul Yasar, and Taufik Akmal. Next, the discussion in this presentation is the first. What is virtual reality, objective and benefit, types of virtual reality, advantage and disadvantage, VR challenge in the future technology integration for VR and AR, conclusion and reference. Next, we will go into the first discussion about what virtual reality. Virtual reality is a computer-generated simulation of a three-dimensional environment that can be experienced and interacted with in a way that appears real or physical. This technology has a rich history dating back to the 1960s and 60s, when head-mounted display or HMD were first developed. Since then, VR has evolved significantly, driven by advances in computer power, graphics, and sensor technology. The concept of virtual reality was first put forward by Ivan Sutherland in 1965, who developed the first head-mounted display that could track the movement of a user head and display the virtual environment accordingly. The term virtual reality was coined by Jaron Lanier in 1984, who founded VPL Research, a company that developed VR hardware and software. The first commercial VR headset, the Forte FX1, was released in 1994. Since then, VR has continued to develop with significant advance in recent years, driven by the development of affordable, high-quality VR headset and the growth of the gaming and entertainment world and industry. The next explanation will be explained by Syarul Yanwar.
Thank you for Rifki Rapiana for your presentation. Hello everyone, my name is Syahrul Yanwar and I will be discussing the objective and benefit as well as the type of virtual reality. Let's begin our discussion. Objective and benefits. The primary goals of virtual reality are to create an immersive and interactive experience that simulates real-world environment or fictional worlds. VR has numerous benefits, including number one, improve training and education. VR can enhance learning outcomes by providing interactive and engaging experience that simulate real-world scenarios. Number two, enhance entertainment. VR can offer immersive and engaging entertainment experience such as games and movies that simulate real-world environment. Number three, traffic application. VR has been used to treat various mental health conditions such as anxiety disorder and PTSD by providing a safe and controlled environment for exposure therapy. And number four, industrial application. VR can be used to improve industrial process such as training and designing by providing a more immersive and interactive experience. The type of virtual reality. There are several types of virtuality, including number one, PC-based VR. This type of VR use a computer to generate the virtual environment and is typical use for gaming and entertainment. Number two, console-based VR. This type of VR use a game console such as a PlayStation to generate the virtual environment. Number three, mobile VR. This type of VR use a smartphone to generate the virtual environment and is typical use for gaming and entertainment. Number four, standalone VR. This type of VR does not require a computer or console to generate the virtual environment and is typical used for gaming and entertainment. Thank you for your attention. That is my explanation regarding the aims, benefit, and type of virtual reality. I hope you find the information valuable and insightful. Now I hand it over to my next friend who will discuss the next topic.
Thank you for opportunity given by Muhammad Rifki. Here I will discuss about advantages and disadvantages of virtual reality. The advantages of virtual reality are immersive experience. VR provide an impressive experience that can make users feel like they are actually in the virtual environment. This can be beneficial for learning and training, as well it allow users to experience real-world scenarios in a safe and controlled environment. Cost effective. VR can be more cost effective than traditional training method, as it does not require expensive equipment or travel. Increase engagement. VR can increase engagement and participation in learning and training activities. This is because VR can make learning more fun and interactive. Next, the disadvantages of virtual reality are cost. VR headset and equipment can be expensive. This can make VR inaccessible to some people. Limited content. There is currently a limited amount of high quality VR content available. This can make it difficult in find VR experience that are relevant and engaging. Technical issue. VR headset can be prone to technical issues such as lag and motion sickness. This can detract from the user experience. That's all I can say. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Sandi Rustandi. Explain VR challenge in the future. Content creation. The availability of high quality VR content is still limited, which can be hinder adoption of VR technology. Cost. High quality VR headset and equipment can be expensive, making them inaccessible to some users. Technical issues. VR headset can be prone to technical issues such as lag and motion sickness, which can distract from the user experience. Next, further technology integration for VR and AR. The future of virtual reality and augmented reality is bright, with many emerging technologies set to revolution the way when experience this immersive world. Here are some of the key areas integration that we shape the future of VR AR. Artificial intelligence (AI) and machine learning (ML). AI and ML can achieve user interaction and improve the experience of learning by enabling personalizing experiences, adaptive learning, and real-time feedback. Internet of Things (IoT) can provide real-time data collection, assess user interactive with virtual environment, and enable the development of smarter, more adaptive VR/AR systems. Extended reality (XR) is encompassing VR, AR, and mixed reality (MR) can create more immersive, interactive, and personalized learning experience. Cloud computing Cloud computing can facilitate the development of snackable, accessible VR/AR systems that can be accessed from anywhere, anytime. 5G and 6G These next generation wireless technologies will enable faster, more stable data transmission, supporting real-time VR/AR application and seamless user experiences. Next,
Okay, here I will continue the explanation from my colleagues. Conclusions. Virtual reality has come a long way since its inception in the 1960s. With its ability to provide immersive and interactive experience, VR has numerous benefits across various industries, including education, entertainment, and therapy. While there are challenges to be addressed, the potential of VR to revolutionize the way of we interact and engage with information is vast. As the technology continue to evolve, we can expect to see even more innovative applications of VR in the future. Then there is one reference, namely ResearchGate. And last, sorry if there are many errors and commissions. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.